Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 12 for learning management system in Django with React.js. In our previous video, we have created our homepage layout. Here you can see that we have created four sections actually. Latest course, popular courses, popular teachers and student testimonial. Our next step is to create the course detail page. I mean, I'm thinking that we should create course detail page. Okay, so before creating the course detail page, I will introduce you to React Router DOM. Okay, so this React Router DOM is a package, npm package. So what it will do, it will make our application as a single page application. Okay, what it means, single page application. So when we click on this course title, then it will load the only course detail component, not the whole page. Okay, like in our traditional web pages, when we click on the page, then it will reload the page including the header and footer. But with the help of React and with the help of this package, we will only load the main content. Only load the main content. Our header and footer will be same. Okay, or you can say that we will load the required things. Okay, if we need anything in header and footer to be updated, then we will update. Okay, but the whole page will not reload. Okay, and we will see this with example. Okay, so in this video I will work with the React Router DOM, and I will explain you that how we can make our page single page application with React.js and React Router DOM package. Okay, so let's start to do this. So the first thing, we need to install this package. Okay, so how we can install this package? This is a very simple command. You can search on Google React Router DOM, and you will go to official documentation. Okay, so I'm going to use the this is the version 6. Okay, so first of all, we have created the React project. Now we need to install React Router DOM. So I will run this command, npm install React Router DOM. Okay, so we will go to here, and we will run the package. So this is service running. Actually the server is running. So I'm so when you enter this command, then it will install the package in node modules. Okay, after installing the package, what we will do, so here the things will start. So we have created our components. Okay, and we have loaded the component in app.js file. So here we have app.js, and in app.js we have loaded the main component. Okay, let's open the main component, and in the main component we are loading all the components that are required. Okay, so and this app component is called by the index.js file. Okay, here you can see that. So the main thing is React document. This is rendering the element, rendering the React component in the root id. Okay, so we have, if you go to the index.html file from the front end public, and if you go to the index.html, then here you have a div id root. So in this everything is running. Okay, so this is the basic things that you should know. So the first thing is when it will go to the index.html, then it will run this index.js, and according to the index.js, it will run the app.js, and we are loading the main, and in the main we are loading all the things. Okay, so how we will work with the React Router DOM. So the first thing, we will import. I will explain you. Let's first integrate this. So whenever you install the package, then you have you can import the things. Okay, you can import the things from that package. Okay, so here we have, so I will import browser route. Okay, browser router. So I will wrap this whole app in a browser router. Okay, so that we will run this application via React Router DOM. So I have wrapped it with the help of browser router. Okay, now what I will do, so I will not do anything in this app.js file. I will go to the main.js, and here what I will do, here I will import route, okay, from React Router DOM. Okay, so now what I will do here, so we have this routes, okay, and in this route I will wrap all the components, all the my content component, not header and footer. I am just wrapping the content component. Okay, and now in this I will say route. Okay, I will explain you everything. If you're not understanding, then I will explain you everything. So here what I will do, path equal to slash and element equal to this home. Okay, so for testing purpose I will create one more component, about.js. Okay, and function about, and we will say return, and we will return h2 about us page. Okay, and we will export this, export default about. Okay, and then we will import this in our home page, home about, not home page, main page. Now here we will, what I will do, here we will add the path. So when user click on the about, then it will load the about component. Okay, so at a time it will load only one. So this is a routes as a switch, it will work as a switch. So when we will go to this URL, then it will run that particular specifically. Okay, so let's see let's see the action. So we have implemented this. Now we need to create the link for this. So I will open the home page. Okay, and if you want to link the routes, and here it will not work as a simple anchor link. Okay, here we need to work with the link from React Router DOM. Okay, so how it will work, let's see. So on the place of anchor we will add link, and on the place of href we will add 2, and here we will add simple slash, or you can say we will add about. Okay, so let's refresh our page. Okay, so it is running, and now if we go to here, if we click on this, let's click on this, here you can see that, so without reloading the page, it is loading the about us content. Okay, now we also need to go to home page. So what I will do here, I will go to header, I'll go to header, and from the home page I will copy this link and paste it here. Okay, and I will define the link here, and this will 2, and this will simple slash. Okay, so what it will do, when we click on this, it will go to home page. Let's refresh the page here. When we click on this, here you can see that now we are on home page. When we click on this, we will go to the about us page. Okay, so actually about us page should be here, not here, it should be in the footer, or it should be let's see here. So what I will do, I will just simply create the link. We will see after that, what should we do with this link. Okay, so let's define the link to about, and this will link. Okay, and we will remove here from link. Fine. Okay, so here we have about us. When we click on this, it will go to home, and we also need to add the link on home page also. Now let's understand the flow. So the first thing, we have a wrap whole app in a browse router. It means now we can work with React Router DOM. Okay, so this is a simple thing. So after going the let's go to the app, and in the app we are loading the main component. Okay, so in the main component I'm importing the routes and route. Okay, you can simply say as switch. Okay, so this will switch the routes, not here, here. So this will switch the routes. So when we go to the path, then it will load the component, and at the at one time it will load only that specific component. Okay, so here we will, here you can see that, so it is working like it is working smoothly. Okay, so in the next video, in the next chapter, we will create our course detail page. Okay, so before course detail page, I have created this, I have explained you the React Router DOM. So please do practice for it, create 2 or more components and try to do it yourself. Okay, and if you have any question, then please add in the comment section. Okay, so I hope you will you are enjoying this series. So please like, share, subscribe this channel, and please like this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please, you can also support me via Razorpay, PayPal. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you.